Shall we see what the ambulance has in his trunk? That's right, a first aid kit for pets. And inside, there's some cough mixture just for dogs. Let's pour out 1 spoonful and give it to the puppy. There's a good boy. Now you'll feel better in no time. Thank you, ambulance. Goodbye. The blue ambulance is answering another emergency call. A traffic jam. The ambulance has turned on his siren. Everyone is getting out of his way. I wonder where he's off to so fast. It's a kitten.